and welcome to our first product release highlights video of the year. My name is Sven Denecken, and I'm the CEO of SAP S and Head of Product Success. With every new year comes a fresh start. And what better way to start off this year than with our SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2102 release highlights. As always, my team of experts has worked eagerly to offer our valued cloud customers the best possible products and innovations, and I'm proud to present you my top highlights. Let's dive right in, shall we? First off, we start with finance and the flexible assignment of accounting principles to ledgers. Now, let me explain why exactly this innovation helps new SAP S/4HANA Cloud customers. Today, CFOs need to capture and report consistent financial data according to different accounting standards. For example, German Commercial Code and Accounting Standards HGB as corporate accounting principle, and local GAAP in the company's subsidiaries, which does affect inventory valuation, work in progress, asset values, and so on. New customers can now flexibly assign the required accounting principles to their respective ledgers. This way, they can change previously unchangeable assignments of accounting principles to ledgers according to their business needs as a basis for a universal parallel accounting. Only one configuration activity is required to update the assignment of the ledger to the accounting principle throughout finance applications, such as general ledger, treasury, revenue recognition, and so on. Staying in the finance area, we introduce a brand new innovation in governance, risk, and compliance. With the first version of SAP Financial Compliance Management, it's no longer required to manually analyze every single document generated by your financial operations processes. This innovation offers the automated and continuous monitoring of financial transactions and processes to automatically detect activities potentially causing financial loss. Maintaining your compliance processes has never been this effortless. Now let's move to manufacturing and supply chain, where we have a great innovation as an example in the field of predictive material and resource planning, short PMRP. As part of the Define Flexible Constraints app, you can now create and maintain flexible constraints for multiple materials and production lines and directly use this PMRP application. This way, you can anticipate future constraints such as limited supply of a group of purchased components or a limited output of production lines, making it much easier for you to consider these constraints and their implications early in midterm and long-term planning. Additionally, we continuously invest in our product's intelligence and automation with SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation. Please check out our iRPA bot store and the SAP Best Practice Explorer to find out how hundreds of predefined bots can help you to meet your automation goal. Moving on to what makes a service easy to digest. In the recent update to the SAP Activate Methodology for SAP S/4HANA Cloud, we have added new accelerators that help your customers utilize the test management functionality of SAP Cloud Application Lifecycle Management. I will offer third-party tools for clients to run test scripts and extended flexibility beyond. Stay tuned. Additionally, we've made a number of improvements across a wide range of assets for change management, transport, and data migration based on feedback from our users. I thank you for that. And as always, let me invite you to join the SAP S/4HANA customer community, where you can share your experience, engage with the experts, and get support for your projects. Of course, it doesn't end here. But these innovations are just some of my favorites. To dive into the functionality of SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2102, read my blog, follow me, or simply check out your landing page at sap.com/s4-cloud release. Make sure to join the SAP S/4HANA movement and benefit from the latest innovations. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time.